don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amapenzo to TV. It's the CAF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zesco 0. I'm joined by Trico.
Tibo! Kunjani bhuti? Umnati bafo. Umnati. Alina kumnati bhuti.
Hey, ngiyabona.
Yeah, first of all, my man, let me congratulate my team. Always Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
They confuse the enemy.
Bomang.
Always Kaizer Chiefs. They're confusing the enemies.
Bomang.
What Jimmy? What long?
Yeah.
Always. What the komikana?
Bomutao.
Ay, I can see you more.
Brother Mutao.
Brother Mudao. I see Mudao yesterday wearing the suits.
Aya nale fresh.
Nale fresh, my ba.
Nale fresh.
Yeah, nale fresh, my ba.
How we arena so, man?
Eh?
How we arena so?
Stibo, let me tell you something, my man. Arati, my man, let me congratulate Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
For yesterday, Baba.
Yeah.
Guys. Yesterday, Orlando Pirates, they are packed Orlando arena.
Hey.
Mana, there's no need to go against Spain, Baba.
Hey.
The arena is at home.
Yeah.
The arena is at home,
Yeah,
Baba.
yeah, local.
I was at the arena yesterday.
Yes.
Give me a part of history.
It's the first in Africa.
First in Africa.
Yes,
The first goal go arena.
Yeah.
Mo South Africa.
Yeah.
Mputumi.
Yeah. I went to history.
Yeah, when's the history?
Yeah, I went to history.
Even the mfano wa man, really man.
Yeah.
Hi man.
I get quality.
I get quality, Bafana. I get quality.
Yeah.
It's only quality part for bona. I really know makhosi. But it's only quality for bona.
Yeah.
And ke batlo botsa ntho engwe ne ke fiste molaetso one fela ngicela ukuthi ama company ayizo umuthu ikhanda
Why, man?
abo Disprin Grand Bar basebenze kanzima
Why?
basebenze kanzima
Why?
ngoba mhla ka 28 ngoDabi
Yeah.
abantu bazophatha amakhanda
Yeah.
bazolimala amakhanda bazophula ba FNB babubukile amakhanda
Abamuke. Migraines.
bo DPS
Yeah.
bomdawu bo Jimmy
Yeah. What's J?
Yeah, this guy talking too much that one. Where is it, that guy? You're talking too much. That guy, ubale.
Badake George Matlu.
Ba man, ubale ka bajo. What tell Ramada lerina.
Yeah.
Negate tse na mo hona no mo.
Yeah.
Bola ha Stibo.
Yeah.
Coming back to our games, Stibo.
Sure.
Always first half Chiefs ba bala habotse mfethu. But regret the opportunity. Mfethu a re shumishe. You're supposed to score 3 goals mfethu. How mona one mona mfethu e bontsha mmetsa bohloko mfethu. Sheba mfethu se di botha di chance aba di convert. Mana dinto di adlala first half man.
Yeah.
Come second half 20 minutes our coach confused us man.
Yeah,
Always ka di support tsa gae mfethu are confused mfethu. Even le we see gore mo coach are tamile area 1 2 3 but yena bona tsela ha.
Yeah.
Anything we accept what they doing.
Yes.
As a coach na re le dipampiri tsa coach impad re a khona go bona portion to a iriang portion ke portion ana gore go ka se bone le portion
Re bona
kaofela wa mana le yena te wa winang ka teng a he go ra ha happy o phela a minje le wa minya
Ola minya ka di
o minne ka di wanini
Nna ke nana le winner wa nil ka mabo.
no di wanna re a rule ka mabom fethu
Yeah.
it's just our committed chance rona you understand so second half last 10 minutes we playing good we see Serino and then Dube and then welcome back Dube mfana we have to push hard mfana o re tsetse net bank mfana go Polokwane and we promise gore we inga go Durban
Yes.
wa rengela yona
Yes.
welcome back mfana Dube
Yeah.
mfethu Stibo Chiefs mfethu we still gonna confuse a lot of enemies you understand we play very good football ba ba re bo mremi le bo rile bo ba thola bo bilakazi
Yeah.
bo trenda ngazabo
Kadabi.
abana tabi mfethu
Yeah.
angiyacela amabhakane bangafaka usibisi ndoda bangamfaki
Why?
hayi bangamfaki
Why?
awuzolimala
Ubhodlela.
Bhodle
The
uzolimala
one and only bottle.
the one and only Bhodle wase Pirates uzolimala
Alimazo uta Silva.
Da Silva uzofika uDa Silva unkhumbuzo mina umfana lapha kusizi bathi ubani
Kingston Ngaja.
oh Christian Gata unkata nomuntu bari ubani bagcina kakhulu kathi bathi wanene
Manje kana strike selus na wazashi.
lo teko lo bathuba ubani
Kila sibuwa Sergio.
Makayisofona.
Yeah.
Makaskorile uJawo.
Wa di rata di treka tse
Ngiyadirada dimnadi.
Yeah.
Ngibafunela iPirates.
Yeah.
Awumakhelwane.
Yeah.
Ibanreni makhelwane.
Yeah.
Siyafika 20 years siyafika.
Yeah.
Ngeke sikafike.
Yeah.
Siyafika.
Yeah.
Ngithi amakhampani amuthi ekhanda sebenzana kanzima.
Yeah.
Ngicela umanager wasebhara hospital.
Yeah.
Anganikeza umuntu off.
Yeah.
Ngemhla 2028.
Yeah.
Ibhara
All staff.
amanese
Yeah.
all staff basebenze bonke ngoba iPirates baphethe makhanda.
And straight to
bonke straight bara.
Yeah.
Amanese lapha hey baba FNB
Yeah.
uze bakucela.
Yeah. After the injury by
Ama-paramedic.
Yeah.
Ama-paramedic
Yeah.
sabagcwele lapha yana.
Ne.
Aze kamningi.
Yeah.
Kamningi.
Baye bara.
Anyone afake iPirates.
Yeah.
Bara.
Amapakani wana ama medical aid.
Hayi abanawo lawo ndaba ndoda mara ungamfake lapha ndoda ngifuna ungena lapha ndoda congratulations to my team.
Yeah.
And then I wish iSundowns nayo ndoda mayipick up man
Sure.
iwine iqhubekele phezulu ndoda
Thank you.
lapha kuSundowns ufana nami ngincanye intwana yami lapha wana
Uba.
uNdamani
Yeah, Ndamani.
uNdamani
Yeah,
quality player
Quality.
quality
Yeah, it's quality.
I wish umfana apick up ndoda adlale ndoda ngifuna
Yeah.
ukubona adlale phesheya ndoda
Chicago Fire.
yo kujika kathele mpokasi amdulikele amdulikele dangi sibo
Thank you, Jay.
dangi boy